Mountain of Roses, everyone. This is my presentation of the three noble person optimism role models. They help me discover myself and help me find my way back. The first person I admire is RM. Why? Because he said we have to learn to love ourselves, so now I urge you to speak yourself. I love his speech in UN General Assembly. I love it when he said in the beginning I did not shine so bright. I only knew my best to shine. But we found each other and our universe was born. Now let us shine on each other. We are no longer small. Just as the universe expands, the song that inspired me to be myself is Persona. The second person I admire is Simon Fuller. He created my favorite band, the first ever global pop group in history. He wants the world to be united, something that the world these days. I think you all know that Peter is also Simon. Jesus Christ named him Simon Peter, so I'm like a disciple. My favorite member of Now United is Noor Ardakani. Why? Because Noor means light. She is the 16th member of Now United, and she is from Lebanon. My birthday is in the 16th of March. That's why she is my favorite because 16. I love her song Habibi because it motivates me to be proud of myself. Lastly is Suga. I love his song Shadow, a reflection of what I think sometimes. I love his stage name. It means light in our dialect. Also, he is so good looking. I never idolized a rapper before. Maybe he is my favorite rapper.